Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, let's look for day 15 in here. Oh, here's 16. Here we go. Here is day 15. Cards, a book. Something, I'm not sure. These stickers really keep it closed, that's for sure. I don't know. Okay. Let's look what we got here. Oh, ornaments. Look at that. Are they clay pottery ones? They are pottery ones. It's kind of like the measuring cup ones. Those are really pretty with the bells on it. So there's two different blocks. I'm not sure if everybody's going to get the same ones, but those are really pretty. A red and a teal. That's so cute. So this is day 15.